stand by for an important message on station KAC 49.
The following is energy weather message from the National Weather Service, issued at 7:37 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in the San Francisco Bay Area has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Santa Clara County in Northern California. This includes the cities of Saratoga, Los Gatos, Campbell, Santa Cruz County in Northern California, until 8 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 7:29 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing nickel-size hail. This storm was located near Boulder Creek, or 10 miles northwest of Santa Cruz, and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Scotts Valley. This storm will cross Highway 17 around 7:45 a.m. near Skyline Road.